Hey guys, today we're unboxing Wild but Cutie blind boxes. Come with me. This is my motivation to wake up. Wild but Cutie. They're talking about me. I like this one very much and pink. What is it, Tommy? Is it Dora? Oh, I love the hair. It's my favorite color. Now let's see how it will look on my bag. Wild but Cutie!